find a water. Pepsi is big in Puerto Rico. Pepsi is big.
There's too big of a misunderstanding back in the 80s about Coca-Cola and Coke. Needless to say, a lot of people were getting high. So.
Go to the tropics, sipping on coladas. Shorty, I could take you there. Or we can go to the slopes when killers get home. Shorty, I could take you there. You know I could take ya. I could take ya. Tutulog sa pansitan is what they call it in Tagalog. Looks like a house in the Philippines to me. Come with me, we could take a trip to the hood. It's no problem, girl, it's my city. I could take you there.
It's only 15 on me, the streets up to no good. When gunshot just bust just one quickly, I could show you where. As long as you're with me, baby, you'll be alright. I'm known in the ghetto, so just stay by my side. We can make the songs go to paradise. Baby, sing to you. We can go to the tropics, sipping on the yeah, the Wyndham. Take you there.